learning that the Delhi High Court has denied the bail to former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain in the murder case of Intelligence Bureau staffer Ankit Sharma during the February 2020 riots. The police had opposed Hussein's plea, calling it a shocking case involving the brutal murder of a young intelligence officer. The evidence, it said, showed that Sharma, while attempting to pacify the accused and urging them not to take the law into their own hands, was caught, dragged and stabbed 51 times with a sharp weapon before his body was dumped into an adjoining drain. Times Now has also accessed details of the High Court order, which clearly states that the case can't be viewed as a standalone incident. In fact, Deepankar is also joining us on the broadcast to give us more details. Deepankar, give us the details of what exactly the High Court has said as he rejected his bail plea.
Well, yes, the High Court has denied the bail to Tahir Hussain. And while denying the bail to Tahir Hussain, the court has very specifically observed that prolonged incarceration cannot be the sole ground for granting bail in a case of this magnitude. The court Tahir Hussain had approached the court and had argued that he has been incarcerated in this case for nearly 5 years now, as he was arrested in 2020, and has said that he has been incarcerated for a long time and the case is not coming to an end. The case is still going on. But the court has denied that claim, and very specifically, and I quote from the order that has been passed by the Delhi High Court, the court said that long incarceration in itself ought not to lead to enlargement on bail when the facts prima facie show involvement in grave and serious offences. So this was the court's observation that the court has passed while denying bail to the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain. The court has also noted that the trial that is going on against Tahir Hussain in the IP staffer murder case is at its fag end and is likely to conclude. I would like to also state that Supreme Court had earlier directed the trial court to finish this case, to conclude this case within a period of 3 months, and taking that into consideration, the court has also noted that the trial in this case that is going on before the Karkaduma court in Delhi, that trial is almost concluded and is at fag end, and therefore the alleged prolonged trial cannot be made a claim by the former Aam Aadmi Party councillor. The court has also observed that the grounds of parity which Tahir Hussain had claimed cannot be used by him, as the allegations that have been leveled against Tahir Hussain are more serious in nature and place him in a very distinct category from the other co-accused in this case. Remember, Tahir Hussain had also argued that the other co-accused in this case are being released on bail while he has not been released on bail. So taking this into consideration, the court noted that this argument of parity cannot be taken into consideration while dismissing the bail of Tahir Hussain. So these were the observations that the High Court has given while dismissing the bail of Tahir Hussain.
Right, absolutely. So the court also saying that this cannot be viewed as a standalone incident, and also mentioned a larger conspiracy. So thank you, Deepankar, for joining us on the broadcast and giving us those details.